Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Are you ready to revolutionize your driving experience? Today, I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best Apple CarPlay wireless adapters. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or simply running errands, these adapters will enhance your car's capabilities with seamless connectivity and convenience. Imagine accessing your favorite apps, navigating effortlessly, and staying connected hands-free, all wirelessly. From compatibility to ease of use, I'll guide you through the features that make these adapters stand out. So, if you're eager to upgrade your driving setup and take it to the next level, stay tuned and don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details. Let's dive in and transform your driving experience today. Check the link in the description below. Number 1. GEMUS Wireless CarPlay Adapter in Cosmic Gray, the ultimate upgrade for transforming your driving experience into a seamless, hands-free journey. Designed to convert factory wired connections to wireless CarPlay effortlessly, this adapter is a must-have for iPhone users looking to enhance their in-car connectivity. With its advanced 7A microchip technology boasting 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and 5.3 Bluetooth, coupled with an 8-core processor, the GEMUS adapter ensures blazing fast data transmission up to 10 times faster than conventional options. Whether you're navigating with Google Maps, enjoying media, or managing messages, expect zero latency and uninterrupted performance, even in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Crafted from premium ultralight alloy, this dongle is not only durable but also enhances heat dissipation, ensuring longevity and reliability. Its sleek and compact design integrates seamlessly into your car's interior, requiring no dash mount and operating independently of your phone, preserving battery life. Setup is instant with plug-and-play simplicity, followed by quick auto-connect features for hassle-free usage. The GEMUS Wireless CarPlay adapter is not just a gadget but a smarter co-pilot, offering a sophisticated UI design and regular online upgrades to keep you at the forefront of technology while driving. Backed by a worry-free 365-day warranty and responsive customer support, GEMUS guarantees satisfaction and peace of mind. If you're searching for the best Apple CarPlay wireless adapter, look no further than the GEMUS Wireless CarPlay adapter for its unparalleled performance, reliability, and sleek design that will elevate your driving experience. Number 2. Faber Castell 5.1 Wireless CarPlay Adapter, your ultimate solution for transforming your factory-wired CarPlay experience into a seamless wireless connection. Compatible with all CarPlay-enabled vehicles, this innovative adapter eliminates the hassle of cords, allowing you to effortlessly connect your iPhone, from iPhone 5 onwards, running iOS 7.1 or later, to your car's infotainment system. Setup is a breeze with its plug-and-play functionality. Simply plug into the CarPlay port, sync via Bluetooth, and enjoy auto-connect convenience thereafter. Enhanced with a smart IC chip and signal filter technology, the Faber Castell 5.1 ensures stable Wi-Fi connectivity, delivering smooth and uninterrupted music playback, crystal clear calls, and responsive real-time GPS navigation. Whether you're commuting or embarking on a road trip, leave your phone in your pocket as this compact adapter seamlessly integrates with your car, offering efficiency without the need for constant plugging and unplugging. Designed for ease of use and reliability, the Faber Castell 5.1 Wireless CarPlay Adapter guarantees a superior wireless CarPlay experience. It's not just a gadget but a solution that enhances your driving comfort and safety. Plus, with dedicated customer support ready to assist, you can purchase with confidence knowing that any concerns will be promptly addressed. Upgrade your car's infotainment system today and enjoy the freedom of wireless connectivity with the Faber Castell 5.1 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Number 3. Lefinis Wireless CarPlay Adapter, the ultimate solution to transform your wired CarPlay experience into a seamless wireless connection. Designed for iPhone users with iOS 10 and above, this compact dongle eliminates the hassle of cables, allowing you to enjoy all the benefits of Apple CarPlay effortlessly. Setup is a breeze with its plug-and-play functionality. Simply connect once and forget about it. Every time you start your car, the adapter automatically activates, ensuring you're always connected wirelessly without any interruptions. One of the standout features of the Lefinis Wireless CarPlay Adapter is its extensive compatibility, supporting over 600 car models including Ford, Chevrolet, Toyota, Subaru, and many more. It integrates seamlessly with your existing factory-wired CarPlay system, preserving all your favorite functionalities like navigation, music playback, Siri voice assistant, and hands-free calls. Whether you prefer using the touchscreen, steering wheel controls, or voice commands, this adapter enhances your driving experience with its responsive 5 GHz Wi-Fi module that quickly syncs with your iPhone. Moreover, the Lefinis adapter ensures a fully automated driving experience. Once installed, it effortlessly pairs with your iPhone whenever you start your vehicle, even if your phone is in your bag or pocket. Its robust build quality and user-friendly design make it an essential upgrade for Apple enthusiasts looking to enhance their in-car connectivity. Backed by 12 months of reliable after-sales support and responsive customer service, Lefinis guarantees a high-quality product that delivers on performance without breaking the bank. For the best Apple CarPlay wireless adapter, look no further than the Lefinis wireless CarPlay adapter, where innovation meets simplicity. Number 4. AutoCast U2 Air Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2024, the pinnacle of innovation for converting your car's wired CarPlay into a seamless wireless experience. Engineered for efficiency and speed, the U2 Air boasts the fastest startup time in its class, initializing full CarPlay connectivity in just 7 seconds, tested on Mercedes GLE 350. Its compact design ensures easy integration into any vehicle setup, complemented by versatile connectivity options including USB Type-A to C and Type-C to C cables, catering to newer car models. Once installed, the U2 Air transforms your driving experience with automated functionality. It automatically pairs with your iPhone via its built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi module as soon as you start the engine. Whether your phone is stowed away or in use, enjoy seamless integration with voice control via Siri, steering wheel commands, touchscreen interactions, and knob adjustments. Say goodbye to audio delays with its plug-and-play design, ensuring instantaneous audio response for uninterrupted music streaming, navigation prompts, and message alerts. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles from Mercedes and Volvo to Ford and Chevrolet, model years 2016 to 2022 with factory-wired CarPlay, the U2 Air supports iOS 10 and above. It even enhances your driving environment by automatically switching between day and night modes based on your vehicle's headlights, enhancing both safety and comfort. Backed by AutoCast's extensive technical expertise and a robust 1-year warranty, rest assured of reliable performance and dedicated customer support. For anyone seeking the best Apple CarPlay wireless adapter, the AutoCast U2 Air stands out not just for its advanced features but also for its commitment to simplifying and enhancing your driving experience. Upgrade your car today with technology that delivers convenience, connectivity, and uncompromising quality. Number 5. Luckymore Wireless CarPlay Adapter, the ultimate solution to seamlessly convert your wired CarPlay system to wireless. Designed for modern convenience, this sleek dongle allows you to retain full CarPlay functionality in your car, including navigation, music control, Siri assistance, and hands-free calls. Compatible with over 800 car models from 2017 onwards and iPhones from the 6 series onward, it ensures broad usability without any additional apps or complicated setups, just plug and play. One of the standout features of the Luckymore adapter is its effortless integration into your existing setup. Once installed, it automatically establishes a wireless CarPlay connection every time you start your car, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Its compact and discreet design allows for easy installation and hides neatly out of sight, ensuring a clutter-free interior. You can leave your phone in your pocket, as the adapter handles all connections wirelessly, saving you the hassle of constantly plugging and unplugging cables, thus reducing wear and tear on your devices. Moreover, the Luckymore wireless CarPlay adapter doesn't just prioritize functionality, its stylish and compact build blends seamlessly with your car's interior. Included with a USB to USB-C adapter, it supports both USB and USB-C ports, ensuring compatibility across various car models and configurations. If you're looking for the best Apple CarPlay wireless adapter to enhance your driving experience with convenience and style, the Luckymore wireless CarPlay adapter stands out as an essential upgrade. In conclusion, choosing the best Apple CarPlay wireless adapter depends on your specific needs for seamless connectivity and enhanced driving experience. Whether prioritizing stability, ease of setup, or additional features like voice command compatibility, there's an adapter out there to suit you. By considering factors such as compatibility with your car's system and user-friendly interface, you can make an informed decision. Remember, the right adapter can transform your in-car entertainment and navigation, providing convenience and safety on the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video for more updates on the latest in-car technology. Drive safe and stay connected.